morning, besties. It is Vlogmas day 7. I just took a shower. I had to rush because I have a therapy appointment at 9 and it's 8:53. So thankfully I was able to get it all done beforehand. I do need to blow out my hair, but that's honestly gonna have to wait until after my appointment. But I'm just going to hop online because it is a telehealth counseling appointment. I'm gonna have the appointment and then I will check in with you guys to see what we want to do today. Therapy is done. It was a crying session today. I'm gonna go relax for a little bit by myself so I can de-stress and get through everything, and then we will meet up when I am ready to be on camera again. I do need to do my hair, so maybe when I come back we'll just do my hair together. I'll just let it air dry still. All right, besties, I'm okay. I just talked about a lot today, so I just need my moment, and for you it'll be in a second. Grabbed my Giorgio Armani concealer off the ground. My fault for leaving it there. You. Hi besties, I'm starting to feel a little bit better. I have a little snack. I've been watching Miracle on 34th Street because it's such a sweet movie. And this is just those Sargento little snack things that they make. But I think while I'm trying to create a little cozy self-care atmosphere for myself, I want to also start looking at candle holders and stuff like that I can put on the table when we host. So I'm on Amazon right now. So I was thinking about getting these little candle holders. I want multiple of them and have gold candle holders going across the table with some like garland or something. I think that would look really gorgeous. Then I'd have them for like any holiday we host. So I'm considering getting these. I also need to get tablecloths. There are so many things I didn't realize that we don't have. So I think I'm gonna do some shopping, and if I end up getting anything, I'll show you all what I pick up. Hello besties. So I was able to do some planning for what I want to serve for Christmas. You probably saw me type it out what I want to serve for Christmas and things that I need to get for like the Christmas table setting. I'm trying to get together a list so I can slowly pick away at it and get the things that we need. This vlog has ended up being super short. Like, I was inputting my footage and I only have like 5 minutes. So I think what I'm gonna do is add in a get unready with me that I filmed I think 2 nights ago. I had a feeling on therapy days I was really gonna struggle to film. I've been now doing Vlogmas for a week and I have never uploaded every day in my life, so I want to give myself a little bit of grace. But I just wanted to say that I'm feeling a little bit better, but I know once I sleep and I'm able to process everything, I'll wake up so much more refreshed tomorrow. So I'm gonna insert the footage of me getting unready with you guys here, which I know is a tiny bit out of place, but I still wanted to have a little bit more content for you so it wasn't just me kind of being blah today. I'm trying out the Amor Vita, however you pronounce it, their thermal cleansing balm. I used it the other night and it was really good, so I wanted to use it again. You literally just slather it on. I have the RMS Beauty foundation on right now and I'm honestly loving it so far. Definitely a great find. I'm glad I used the primer with it too, just because I've been having such a hard time pairing my primers and foundations lately. This has little like exfoliating beads in it, so it's not like the traditional cleansing balm where it's like literally just what feels like Vaseline rubbing all over your face. This feels like an oil with some sort of exfoliator in it, so it's kind of cool. So one Chanel cotton can take off almost all of my foundation with the balm, so that's really cool. I don't want to use that to take off my eye makeup because of the little exfoliating beads in there, so I'm just gonna go in with my Bioderma, which I love so much and works really well for eye makeup. Try the sample of the Chanel face wash that I got, so I'm just gonna use this today. Since I'm having a luxury skincare night, I'm gonna do the Amor Visca Queen of Hungary mist. It's such a fine mist, it's so soothing. My Ordinary Marine Hyaluronics, which is an amazing product. And to finish off, my Skin Fix Barrier Plus Moisturizer. It's just so good. Probably use an eye cream, but I'm not going to. I'm just gonna put my moisturizer on my eyes. It's basically the same thing, I feel like. I hope you enjoyed that mini get unready with me, and now we're back to me being not unready. So I also did a few little things off camera. I uninstalled the garbage can from under my cabinet, and I also took all of my wine out and organized it. So I'll show you me taking it all out because I had a little bit more than I thought. I do have some stuff coming in the mail today and tomorrow for us to do project-wise, and I'm just going to continue trying to feel joyous and grateful for the things I have in my life. So I want to watch some Christmas movies and just relax. So I'm going to sign off here, but we still need to do my advent calendar. So let's go do that and then I'll say bye. Alright besties, thank you so much for watching day 7 of Vlogmas. We have reached the end and I will see you all in the next video tomorrow. Bye.